For reference, this is how hairy my right armpit is right now. I'm going to be using this Nair cream to get rid of these armpit hairs. If you want this specific Nair cream, I'll link this down below in the description box. So the first step is to obviously squeeze the cream onto your hand. So I'm going to be doing just that. All right, now it says to apply a thick, even layer to cover hair. Do not rub it in. So let's do that. I'm only gonna do this on my right armpit because I want to film a TikTok for my left. You guys, this is nothing new. I've had too much to drink tonight. Now I'm going to set a timer for 3 minutes because I don't want to go past 3 minutes because it literally burned my pits last time. Oh, I do not want this to go badly. I'm gonna do 3 minutes and 6 seconds because rebellious. I'm gonna wash my hands and come back. I'm back, my hands are clean, but like the smell of the Nair is like lingering. I'm not a fan of the smell. They did get better, but they definitely still smell like salon and like eggs, and not like in an appetizing way. If I'm being honest with you, I don't love when guys like go fully hairless on their armpits. I personally prefer just like trimming my armpits, but I have to do like an advertisement for like this company like soon, and this like ad requires me to be like hairless to be able to do this thing, so I am just not gonna spoil it right now. But yeah, like I typically don't love like super hairless pits because I don't want them to grow like super prickly. When I used Nair on my butt, for some reason it wasn't super prickly when it grew out. I think it's only super prickly, or like you can really feel the contrasting difference in body parts that are like super hairy. Like for example, like my butt hairs are nothing compared to like my pubes, as you may have seen. So like for example, if I used Nair on my pubes, it would be not the best. I have done that like one time, but like I don't think I figured out like a way to do it like fully properly yet. Let me know in the comments if you want like a Nair pubes tutorial. I'll definitely have to figure that out like on camera with you guys though. Okay, we have 8 seconds left, and I'm just not going to go past 3 minutes because actually, should I? Because I feel like it's not gonna be hairless right now. I'll wait like 1 more minute. Let's do 1 more minute. Let's be crazy. But yeah, I typically only really recommend Nair for like your butt if you're a guy. If you're a girl, I think Nair works for your legs too. They did send me like a spray thing. I'm assuming it's for your legs, or like a lotion thing, so like I'm sure that's like normal. But for guys, like I would only do it for like your butt, because armpits and like your pubes, I feel like trimming them would be the best way to go. Because I don't want like hairless pits or like hairless pubes, you know? Like I just need like a good, like not fully shaven, but like a good like trim. The worst thing to do now for me personally is to like go fully like just razor and shaving cream on like my pits or like my pubes or my butt. Like I would not do that again. I only used my facial razor on like my body parts when I didn't know about Nair or like an electric razor, so I just would not do that like nowadays. I think it's time now. Okay, so it's been like 4 minutes something. So now I'm basically just skipping the check small area, and I'm just gonna like go straight into it, and hopefully the hairs come off. Oh my. Oh my. That is a lot of hair. Ew, I'm always so shocked when this happens because I'm like, how is that possible that a cream does this? Like, can you believe, like, I used to literally razor my pits. Like, who would do that nowadays, knowing that this exists? Like, why would anyone want to like put razor on their pits? Look at that. Insane, right? Insane, methinks. Jar Jar Binks. Okay, let's see. I think it's literally fully like hairless. Like I haven't seen it up close, but it looks like it is. It looks like it is. Is it? Is it? What do you guys think? I can't see as well as you, but I think it looks like hairless. Okay, so obviously there's like some stray hairs here. I don't want to take a shower yet because I want to like film the TikTok, but I do have to rinse it off. Okay, let me just rinse it off real fast and come back, okay? Hang on. Alright, I'm back. I did not take a shower. I just kind of like wiped this with a damp paper towel, like again, and I put some soap on it. So I kind of like rubbed off the stray hairs and it looks pretty good. So obviously like deep down here, there are some hairs still, but like I said, I don't need like a super tight like shave or like thing for like my armpits. This was definitely a success. I'm now going to do the other pit on TikTok. So I'll see you there. If you don't follow me on TikTok yet, follow me at the coolest Kev, but you have to like spell it weird because they removed my username. So it's at THEKEWLEST Kev. Just look up my name, Kevin Leonardo, and you'll find me there. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you liked it, please give it a good thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Don't forget to check out the links below for my full bottoming course with like more visual guides and also my premium douche kits. And literally all of my other links are there, including this Nair cream. Talk to you soon. Love ya.